list comprehension. We have already discussed this. List comprehension means running a for loop inside these square brackets. Inside these square brackets. So list comprehension in Python is a concise way to create list from existing list, or maybe some iterable object. It can be a tuple or something else, right? So I have a list, kiwi, mango, orange, papaya, right? So what I am doing here is I am running a for loop. Each time I will pick the item. If this item has a inside it, then it will select, otherwise it will filter. It will only select if it has a inside it. So you can see here, if you check its output, kiwi don't have a and other fruits have a, right? So as per our condition, this kiwi will filter out, you can see, and the other three are here, right? So this is list comprehension. You can also write if else condition, but you can't write if else like this. For writing if else, you need to move if else here. You can see here, this is your if else and this is your for. Here you can see this is your for and this is your if condition. Now I am moving this for here and keeping if else here, right? I can't do here because every language has their own way to write syntax, right? So when I was trying that, I was getting error, but in this way I was not. So remember this is a key to remember. If you have single if, then you can keep here, otherwise you need to keep your if else here. So it will x if a in x, then output will be x, otherwise output will be no fruits, right? So let me run this. You can see instead of kiwi, now we are getting no fruits because we have else condition also, right? So this is called list comprehension. We have already discussed this. Now I want to go one step ahead, right? Again, this is also a favorite interview question for Python developers, right? Now the next important thing is your dictionary comprehension. You need to do similar thing into dictionary, right? So how you do that, right? Let's understand that. So let me first do, okay, let's create a one list items, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Now what I will do is I will create an item dict. Okay, I am giving this name item dict. Now you can see in case of let me write here dictionary comprehension, right? Okay, and dictionary comprehension. Okay, so in case of list comprehension, we were using these square brackets. Now we will use curly braces. Why? Because dictionary has curly braces. In this curly braces, we will write in same way. For example, for I in items, right? Now what we will do is we will say here, now we need the key value pair I colon I square. So if I run this and I will try to print this, print item dict, you can see 1 1 2 4 3 9 4 16, it's a square, 5 25 6 36. So instead of writing into curly braces, instead of writing into square braces, you need to write in curly braces, right? Because we are doing dictionary comprehension, and again it should be key value pair. Now let me give you one more example, right? Okay, suppose we have a dictionary, right? Dictionary example. Okay, for this dictionary example, we can see here 1 colon A, right? 2 is a key and B is your value, 3 is a key and C is your value, 4 and D is your value. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to do shuffling. I want to not shuffling, I want to do swapping. Swap dict. I want to create a swap dict which in this we need to swap keys with value and value with key. We want to swap this key. Your value will become key and your key will become value. So the simplest way is you use dictionary comprehension. For dict example, sorry, for k comma v, k is your value in dict underscore example is your dictionary. Dot items, if you remember, we have seen this when we are iterating dictionary, we have to use dict items, right? Here I will change v comma k. I am doing just opposite. V colon k, sorry, v colon k. It means we are replacing our key with value and value with key. Now if I run this, you can see now a is become key and 1 is become value. This is your key earlier, now this is your value. This is your value, then now it is become key. So these kind of operation you can easily do with dictionary comprehension. So just like you are doing list comprehension, you can also do dictionary comprehension. Just remember this, it should be in key value pair. Okay, you can also add certain if else condition, right? Suppose, let me use this same example, right? Now what I want to do is I want to remove this 4, right? So what I will do is if I is not equals to 4, sorry, not I, here k, sorry, k, you can see okay, it's swapped. Sorry, I am swapping this. No need to swap this. I am keeping this as it is. Now you can see 1a, 2b, 3c, but 4 is not there. So here we are doing filtration with using if condition. You can also put if else, right? And let's also try if else, right? The same list dictionary comprehension. Comprehension means a concise way to write this. If this, else, v colon k, right? It will do opposite then, right? Okay, what is the issue? Invalid syntax. Yeah, I need to check this how, because generally people don't use if else inside this. Let's try. Yeah. Again it is invalid. So yeah, I need to check how it is, because there is no specific way for this, right? If you see this example in list, we are writing in that way, right? Here Control Z, invalid syntax. Yeah, but it is now a dictionary. So instead of dictionary, do like this. Okay, so when I think it is not able to identify, maybe some issue here. If you see, if I'm doing like this, it is working, right? So maybe there is a way to do this. Okay, instead of kv, I think I just need to write v. Instead of kv, I just need to write v. Okay, on the place of v, I want to write edf. Okay, now it will work. So no need to write like this, v colon k. So it understood that this is your k. Now you can write here value for 4, right? This is how you can write. Okay, so